everyone, Crowbar, Cooking with Crowbar. Today, I'm gonna do Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. Hopefully they'll turn out good. Who knows? Might turn out good. So, I am not being endorsed, but I can't help but to show labels in my videos, so I'll do that. I'll just do this. You can see it says Cinnabon. Okay, so you might see a little slight vibration in the video. None of us are professionals. The truck is running. I have it on the weird looking tripod. I'm using a generic Walmart microphone, so hopefully you can hear me. But I gotta get these into here. I'll show you a little bit what it looks like. So remember, this is more of a how-to to truck drivers, to show you that you can eat better, have a better livelihood, lifestyle. And I'm serious, I think I am losing weight. I swear to God, I looked myself in the mirror and I thought I looked okay. I swear, I think I lost some weight. So I gotta get these in there. These in here. Wait, I think I need to read the instructions. Yeah, that's right. I have to wear readers because my eyes are going bad. Oh, there it is. Heat oven to 350. Grease round or square cake pan. Place rolls in pan. No, like you're just gonna throw them in there. Bake 23 to 27 minutes or until golden brown. Okay. So I'm gonna preheat the oven. Now mind you, I will let you know how hot it gets. Everything looks the same up there as far as the top and the sides. Nothing looks burnt. It does get hot normally, you know, because it cooks. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and preheat. Bake, I'll say 30 minutes. This thing, you know, I don't know. We'll try it. And then hit start. It's preheating. While that's doing, I better hurry up and get this thing greased. So I have this. It's greased. I always hate opening these things. Oh! There it is. It's open. They're in there. They're in the pan. They're sliding, but they're in there. It's greased real good. I want a cinnamon roll now. It's taking forever. No, it's not taking forever. It's taking appropriate time. I'm just acting stupid. Ooh, baby, we're gonna have cinnamon rolls. Yeah. Now, people ask me, Brian, how come you're more upbeat in your truck, more calmed in your truck versus being out at the trailer set up cooking? Well, to tell you the truth, out there on the trailer, is son of a bitch, we just lost power. I swear to God, you had to have a bigger power inverter. I think the 3000 is going to be good, but the 2500 should be good enough. I think what happens is the inverter gets overheated, so I had to leave the side door open a little bit to let cool air in. So once again, 350. When you know it, I paused the video and then it said add food, so here we go. They're in there. Right there.
You're letting out the
30 minutes later, we should have Cinnabon cinnamon buns. There's a bunch of commotion outside. I don't know what's going on, and I really don't care because it's nothing to do with me. So we'll be, yeah, I'm not supposed to say that. You thought I was going to say it, didn't you? You know who I'm talking to. So while the cinnamon rolls are baking, I like this tripod I got. It's better than me holding it and being all shaky and all that crap. So we're stationary. I'll be. Damn it, I did it again. 9 minutes in, and it's definitely smelling like cinnamon rolls. It smells really good. Okay, so now that she's been baking for a while, I'm gonna go ahead and check the heat around the oven, if you will. So, the top feels warm from the heat rising, but it doesn't feel like anything to be alarmed about. The side here, believe it or not, this side feels cool. This side here, the interior feels cool still too, but the unit is hot. In the back, hold on. The unit is hot, but the interior is cool. So once again, nothing really to worry about. I still think this thing's a game changer. Now, if memory serves me correct, the Cinnabon roll package was $3.28 versus spending almost $4, probably up to $6 for one. I'm gonna have 5. Rocket science not. I'm not gonna have all 5. Me and Crystal's gonna have one, and I plan on, we got other drivers that I drive with. You know, same company drivers out here, so I plan on giving certain ones one. Not everybody. Even though I may seem to come off, I'm really not. Kind of dark on top, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh. It looks like I hit a gold mine. I think they're done. I think they're done. So I'm gonna take them out. I got my handy dandy oven mitts. Look at that.
Smell that? Can you smell that?
Can you smell what Crowbar just baked? Well, it always seems like they never give you enough icing. No. Here you go. Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. Yeah, baby. Okay, well, ow. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna go out here and give everybody a Cinnabon. And that's it. Stay tuned. Chris is gonna do bison ground meatloaf patty thing. I don't know. She'll explain it in her video. But until next time, I didn't even get a rant in. Well, yeah, I did. I got a rant in. Until next time, y'all drive safe, eat good, keep the all 18 tires, 4 tires, however many tires you got on the road. Stay in between the lines. Always remember, don't cut each other off. And for God, it's wintertime. Drive safer. Keep more distance. All right, there's another rant. See y'all. I'm out of here.